Another type of breathing that you can try is called the box breath. This one is also pretty simple. It doesn't appeal to everyone because it involves holding your breath, and some people don't like holding their breath. However, I am going to offer it to you because you might like it. So I encourage you to try all of these, and if any of them don't work, just skip it. I'm only offering you different ways to do this so that you can choose what you like. There is no requirement to do all of them. There's no requirement to do any of them, but I'm hoping that you'll find one that you will like and maybe even make a part of your practice every day. So this one is called the box breath. Basically, you'll be counting your breath. I will choose a count of 4 because I think that's pretty simple and easy way to start. Not a lot of people are accustomed to slow, deep breathing. So basically what you'll do is inhale to a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, exhale for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, and then we do it again. So how about we try a few cycles and you can see what you think. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. And you'll want to inhale again. So we just did 5 cycles, and let's see how you feel. Only you know, so maybe just take a minute and check in with yourself and see how that worked for you.